So hello once again and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be looking at what soft luggage is available for the Triumph. Now what I've put on the bike is some soft luggage that I've bought online, and we're going to be taking a closer look at these and how they fit to the bike. So follow me in while we look at the tank bag first. Now this tank bag is a genuine Triumph one. It may be a little bit older because the badging is slightly different, but it still does the job of a normal tank bag. We've got a pocket on the top, so we can put his mobile phone in there, or we can put a map in there, or something that we're going to be looking at. At the top, what I'm going to be using that for is the passport and maybe the wallet. So we've got a little bit of depth in there. Again, it's waterproof. This top section will come off, so it is possible, if I wasn't going to be using the tank bag, to simply attach it to the seat base. So if I put that in place there like that, what I've basically got is a map pocket or a small storage for some small items. So let's look at the attachments that we've got on the tank bag. So first off, we've got the front one. So quick click connector. As you can see, that just goes round the bottom of the frame and clicks in position. And the rear fitting is basically a small bar that runs across the top of the tank. You pull that up to tension it up, and then when you bring the seat in, it pushes down hard. So that's the front and rear fittings. Obviously we can take these off the bike quite easily by undoing that when we get to the paintwork underneath. And again, it's a simple matter of feeding that through there into there to fit it on the back. So that's the basic mount. On the mount itself, you've got 4 fixing points, 4 corners. So these correspond with the mounts that we've got on the bag. So we've got 2 at the back, 2 at the front, and obviously we've got a Velcro. So the Velcro itself will hold most of it on anyway, but we're not going to rely on that depending at speed. So let's put that in position. We're going to click it in on the 4 clips that surround that, and as you can hear, we've still got the Velcro down there doing part of that job. So quite easily we click them 4 in, and we've now secured the bike to the mount. So that little window at the top, again, this is quite easy. A couple of press studs at the back, they click into there, and then the Velcro does the rest of the job. Open it up, got quite a bit of storage space in there with the plastic liner. We've also got the rain cover that will go on if we need to, and also the carrying strap that attaches to the bag. So should we wish to attach the strap, we've got a couple of catches at there, so we've got that strap there. We can now carry that over its shoulder and carry our valuables in the bag. This is to save you taking everything out of the bag by just simply attaching this, removing it from the bike and carrying on. Again, it's quite easy to take off. We can store that strap in the bag itself. Rain cover goes over the top. And also with this bag, it's expandable. So we've got yet another zip that we can circle around, and that gives you even more height. Now one thing to bear in mind if you're using it in this position is that you can still see the speed. Obviously we want to see what speed we're going, and all our dial and our warning lights. Most of the time I won't put it in this up position. I don't feel the need to fill it up that much. Simply pressing it down and then re-zipping that around reduces it back to its normal state. So that's your tank bag. Again, easily removable. Unclip 4 clips. And also to remove it, to take it off the bike. Now if you've been watching the channel before, you know that we've already put the pannier frames on the back of this. So again, we've gone for the Triumph ones, so they're branded. Again, quite sturdy. The strap that we've adapted will go over the frame and under the seat, so obviously it makes it more difficult for theft. We've got another strap at the back, and obviously we've got panniers on both sides. Now these are again expandable. This one's got an entry pocket at the end, so we can put small things in that pocket. We've got another strap there that will go around to expand it, so it doubles it up in width, so we get even more gear in there. But it's quite substantial for a week away. Refit the seat. We're ready for our trip. So that's about it for today, guys. We've got us gear ready. We're going up to Scotland in a couple of weeks' time. We're hoping that this and the panniers and the little tail pack, if we get the tail pack on, or the backpack, will be sufficient for the week away. So if you like what you see, you want to give us that thumbs up. If you want to keep in touch, or you want to leave us a comment, or if you want to subscribe, then you're welcome to do so. So we'll see you next time. That's bye for now.